Hi guys, it's Christina Marie here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Tribe Beauty Box by Porcelain. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do beauty box unboxings, reviews, tutorials, and occasional giveaway. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it. And hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. We are going to do a giveaway when this video hits 100 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. If you are new to Tribe Beauty, it ships out every other month for $34.99. You do get 4 to 5 products for that price, and all of the products in this box are cruelty free. So let's dive into this box. So, just get my scissors here so we can take a peek and find out what's all inside. So this is what it kind of comes like. And then here it's got the @Tribe Beauty Box. There's a little card here that talks about all the products inside. There's also a picture of the beautiful Bridget on there. So the first thing that I'm seeing, yay! It is the Suva Block Party palette. They sold out of this fairly quickly, and so part of the people got the Block Party, others of them got the Suva Beauty Saffron palette. And the Saffron palette is actually a more expensive palette. It has more warm tones in it. This one has a bunch of cool tones. Let's see if I can get it open here. Look how pretty this palette is. And I want to show you guys. So it comes with a mirror, so I don't blind you guys. But look at how vibrant and fun all those shades are. You know, I'm a girl who likes color. Let's swatch a couple of these. Let's do Boombox, which is your dark green matte. Ooh, you guys, these are super pigmented. So there is Boombox. Let's try Popsicle, which is a cream shimmer purple. And that's just one swipe, and that's Popsicle. And then let's do Drunk Love, which is a powder pink. There's Drunk Love, and then let's finally do Mixtape, which is kind of this lime green shimmer. There you go. How fun are those colors, you guys? I can't wait to have fun with this. I'll definitely be doing a multi-look video for you guys off of this. So the Suva Beauty Block Party palette, it retails for $30. It basically says a color for 10 shade eyeshadow palette for the bold, wild, and the playful. The next item in the box is from Wander Beauty. It is their Glow Ahead Face Oil. Let's open this up. I have tried their eyeshadow, or not their eyeshadow, their mascara, but I have never tried the face oil before, so I'm always looking for a new face oil. So what it says on here, this is a $48 bottle. Here you go. And it's a signature blend of 8 powerful yet lightweight beauty oils that instantly restore skin's youth, balance, and glow. Let's try. I don't know if you can see that. There's kind of the oil on there. So looking forward to adding this into my rotation. How fun! The next thing in the box is the Luxie Beauty Flawless Eye Set. It does retail for $30. Basically says take your party look to the next level with this professional grade eye brush set. Tackle the most prestige eye looks with this set. It does include a flat angled, a mini tapered, a mini angled, and a mini round. And I've been needing some new eye brushes, so this is great. So the next two items are both from Masquerade. They retail for $6 each. And this one is a Beauty Restore Nourish and Relax mask. You really want to make sure to hydrate your skin at night. And then this one is a detoxifying. So it's Detox Diva Cleansing and Exfoliate. So when you want to really deep clean your face, use these. And look for these in my upcoming masking video. The next item is by Ibby Beauty, and it is a liquid to matte lipstick in Berry Berry. It's a highly pigmented and indulgent. This creamy liquid to matte lipstick creates a larger than life smile that's vivid and luxurious. It retails for $12. One of the things that I really like about Tribe Beauty is, you know, they've given you something for your skin. They've given you something for your eyes. They've given you something for your face. You know, and then they also give you something for your lips, and they give you kind of a tool too. So they give you like a real rounded box, which I really appreciate. So let's open this Berry Berry up. Ooh, how pretty, you guys. With the little doe foot. Bring my mirror over here. What do you think? So what do you guys think of the new backdrop? Do you like it better than the silver? Let me know in the comments below. I think my two favorite things in this box are the eyeshadow palette and the face oil are my two favorite. I really didn't have any dislikes. I liked everything. Let me know in the comments below what were your favorites. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.